Alright, this video is about my 3D printer. It is a Ender 3 Pro, and I am having a problem with it. The problem is these prints. If we look at them real close, this is the bottom side, this is the top side. This is what they look like, and I'll hold them up to the light so you can see that they are a little transparent. I've done so many of these prints I lost count. I had to start counting at 101, and I've noticed that there is a pattern. If I line these things up to the light, they pretty much line up in the same spot of where the gaps are. So this is the last one I did. I'm basically running these things. I'm printing draft using Cura as my slicer, and I'm running draft quality, which is 0.2 millimeter thickness, I believe, for the initial layer, and I'm only printing one layer. It's a test square that I got off of Thingiverse, which I can make available on my Dropbox drive or something, or Google Drive or something, if anybody needs the file. But yeah, I mean, if you look at these things, this is the same thing that's happening to all of them. And I mean, yeah, I mean, some suggestions say that it might be that they're getting that the nozzle is too close to the bed. I'm not sure if that's the case. You can see this for yourself. I mean, I don't know if this is from it just being ripped up, or I mean, my bed has a hump over here, and it's not that noticeable. I think the range from the high to the low is probably a plus 0.15 something or 1/8 something to a low of about .00, 9 or .010 or something like that. I mean, to me it's fairly flat. Plus I'm using an ABL, a TH3D EZABL, and I don't know. When I first got the printer, I was able to print fine with it, and lately, I mean, I probably got the printer just before Christmas time, and it's just it's hardly used. I haven't used it for the past 3 months or so, but this problem started before then, or it started before then, and that's when I took a break to try and just get away from it for a while. And I've been printing these test squares. First of all, it does fail on normal prints, and it's driving me nuts. So then I've been tramming or leveling the bed. I mean, I've re-leveled or retrammed that build plate so many times. I mean, I could do it in my sleep. Excuse me. And yeah, I'm just asking the internet. I'm asking anybody out there who's an expert in printing. What is the deal here? I mean, there are other prints that I have. I mean, here's a couple that I printed a while back that came out, in my opinion, pretty good. I mean, that's what they look like. I mean, tell me if that's good or bad. But it has printed well before, and I've printed stuff. I printed all of the blue parts for this machine. I'm using Octopi and so on. But yeah, I mean, if somebody has a suggestion on how I can resolve this problem, because it is absolutely maddening, it's driving me nuts, I sure would appreciate it. I don't know, again, if this is too close. If I don't think it is. I don't know. I need your help. So please help me out. Leave any comments or suggestions, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for your help.